What's the biggest enemy to focus? Distractions. For us web designers, distractions come in many forms. It could be Slack notifications, Facebook notification, loads of emails, cluttered workspaces, requests coming in, scope creep from clients, or even it's the temptation to just sit there scrolling and surfing the internet. We went on the web to get some inspiration, but we started looking at holidays instead. So how can you limit distractions? Turn off some of the notifications on your apps. Do you really need to know about every time a message comes in? I'm sure you can check it later on. Keep your workspace clean. Don't have too much clutter. You want to feel focused when you get to your desk. Use tools like Do Not Disturb. I mean, I used to use that a lot when I was creative writing because I did not want to be disturbed by things coming in to take away my focus. When you're deep into designing, every interruption pulls you out of your creative zone. So protect the zone, protect the flow, because you'll surprise yourself as to how much more you give out when you clean up the distractions.